Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be cooking shrimp, trout, scallops, and squid on this humongous rock I just found. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll have a quick commentary at the end. Thank you. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm kind of annoyed with that branch that you see there on the left. But besides that, everything went really well. The shrimp and all the seafood that I cooked was absolutely amazing. I really cooked it to perfection. The rock was really hot and had no issues. Everything went super well. It was absolutely gorgeous outside. Yeah, it was a perfect day, really. So I'm really happy, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope to see you guys next time. Alright, take care. Bye-bye.